Hi girls, welcome to our channel. Now we are finding the beautiful animals. Come on, let's go. Wow, hen is on the skating. Very nice, very beautiful. Let's do it one more time. Wow, very fast, very nice. Wow, beautiful banana tree. Wow, crane, help me, help. Oh no! Wow, fish, very small fish, very nice. Then, wow, crane, big size, amazing, black and white color, very beautiful. Then, wow, buffalo, very nice, very nice. Oh no, the buffalo is so angry to look at, but it was very nice. Wow, sheep. The sheep eats grass. Good. Very nice, very beautiful. Wow, butterfly looks so good. Butterfly eat the honey. Oh no, very nice. Then, oh my god, cockroach. Oh no. Then, wow, rhinoceros, big size rhinoceros, very nice. Then, what is this? Hey, elephant, wow, amazing, very beautiful, big size elephant. Then, wow, donkey, very nice. Then, wow, goat, looks so good. Then, wow, kangaroo, very small kangaroo, very nice. Then, oh no, cow is very dirty. Oh, now clean the animals. Hey, I am fresh up. Black and white color cow, very nice. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep support.